will study, are the crystal of salts really dry, or water crystal compound will study, or concept of water of crystallization. Let us have here. Okay, let us understand this activity. We have copper sulfate crystals which is blue in color, which contain water molecule, but they are looking like a dye only. When we are heating this water crystal copper sulfate which is blue in color, after heating this we are getting moisture here, and the color of this copper sulfate blue color changes into white, and we are getting a moisture. What it means, this copper sulfate contains some molecules of water. So before heating it is in blue in color, after heating it changes its color to white, and we are getting moisture. Means this copper sulfate crystal contain water molecules. This type of compounds which contain water molecules but looking like a dry, that compounds are called water crystal compounds. Let us have example here. Copper sulfate dot 5H2O. To 1 copper sulfate salt we have how many molecules of water? 5 molecules of water. What is this compound? Water crystal compound. Water crystal compound. Similarly, iron sulfate with 7H2O. To 1 iron sulfate will have 7 water molecules surrounded to this iron sulfate compound. Sodium carbonate with 10H2O, which is this washing soda. How many molecules it contain? 10 water molecules to 1 compound of sodium carbonate. What are those compounds? Water crystal compounds. How we can observe this? By this activity just we discuss. Okay, let us have this phenomena, water of crystallization. Water of crystallization. Water of crystallization means it is the fact or the phenomena where fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt. Fixed number of water molecule present in one formula unit of a salt. This phenomena fact we are calling water of crystallization, and these compounds are called water crystal compounds. I will repeat. Water of crystallization means fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt called water of crystallization, and the compounds are called water crystal compounds. Okay. I hope this water of crystallization you will understand. Okay, let us have plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. This is also a water crystal compound. Its chemical formula is CaSO4 dot half H2O. What is this? Water crystal compound. Common name plaster of Paris. Formula CaSO4 dot 1 half H2O. Chemical name calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate. Sulfate hemihydrated. Hemihydrated. Okay. How will get this plaster of Paris? Let us learn. Okay, we will have one compound. The name of the compound is gypsum. Gypsum, whose formula is calcium sulfate 2H2O. This is also water crystal compound. Calcium sulfate 2H2O, water crystal compound. chemical name water crystal calcium sulfate. By heating this water crystal calcium sulfate, that is gypsum, at 373 Kelvin, what we are getting? We are getting plaster of Paris calcium sulfate dot 1/2 H2O plus 1.5 H2O. By heating gypsum at this temperature 373 Kelvin, we are getting our plaster of Paris calcium sulfate hemihydrated and the water molecules. Okay, so how we are preparing plaster of Paris? From the gypsum. What is gypsum? Calcium sulfate 2H2O. Water crystal calcium sulfate is the gypsum. By heating this gypsum at 373 Kelvin, what we are getting? We are getting plaster of Paris or calcium sulfate hemihydrated with water molecule. Got this preparation of a plaster of Paris from a gypsum heating at a 373 Kelvin. Plaster of Paris is formed. Where we are using this plaster of Paris? We are using this plaster of Paris by the doctors to join fracture of bones, and also we are using in a ceiling a design to design a ceilings. Also we are using this plaster of Paris for making a toys and more things. So these are the uses of plaster of Paris. Okay, this is the end of the chapter.